All transformations are hard, also towards sustainability. By partnering up with Cognizant and our many years of experience, we can plan a systematic approach. We will provide assessment frameworks and accelerators to identify the low-hanging fruits and speed up the processes. For a more efficient production and yield, reducing the waste and the cost of operation, leading to less emission. On top, our framework also includes and takes care of security and change management issues that companies also face during a transformation. And finally, we can roll out globally and at scale.
Manufacturing companies can contribute to a circular economy when they really understand that they have many potential ways of keeping responsibility of the products that they're putting out there. The main idea is really to have visibility over the products that we are creating from the resources of the planet and understand that value should really contribute to support the needs not only of the economical benefit of companies, but also the global sustainability goals and at the same time of the people that lives in the world. So servitization and digitalization are two concepts that are right now constantly being repeated, and manufacturing industry is developing acquired interest in them. I think a problem is when we see it as different terms. The idea of servitization can only work if digitalization is there to provide enough data for us to create services that can contribute by giving sustainable value.
Microsoft supports sustainability initiatives within the manufacturing industry in a multitude of ways. We can support from individual use cases, very deep down in the companies, up all the way to the executive top levels where we do transformational activities together with the client. The demo with Rockwell that was shown today is a really good example of how new technology can drive sustainability activities. Yes, at its core, digital twin is a concept, but bringing that technology to life in order to shape the new physical world is essential.